As I said before, I want to give you this pamphlet for free. These are materials for how to make money online. I want to categorically state that at the end of this video, I'll need you to do something, okay? Just a small thing, and then we shall be good to go. For you who is confused, you don't know where to start, okay? Now, I've been talking about how to make money online all the time, how to make money on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and how to use some of the available materials and some of the sites which can help you to make money online. But some of you, maybe you are wondering now, how do I kick off? Where do I start? Now, everything is put together, okay? This material is a PDF format. It's a well-researched and put together materials for how you're going to kick off on how to use your Instagram, Facebook, and any other platform, social media. It's a guide, okay? It's a kickoff for you if you want to make money online. Now, some of you think maybe it's a very complicated strategy. No, I say no. Do you know? No, a big no with capital letters. It's not complicated. Some of you just pass these opportunities like this by scrolling your phone, thinking it's just like this. But let me tell you, this is very, very simple, okay? I've decided to put this together. It is something that I learned. I also purchased this using money, but I'll let you get it for free, okay? One thing I want you to do is before you get this, you have to make sure you have subscribed, okay? And number two, before I send you this, first of all, you need to comment down there below your email address. That's the best way on how we are going to get this pamphlet for free. Because how am I going to send you anyway? How am I going to send you this? So it's a free guide, detailed from one place to another. Follow everything. Now, one thing I need to explain this is some of the trainers and trainees, that's people who are learning this from these channels where you say this is how to make money. You don't put things in practice. Let's just be frank. You look like you're wasting your time. You're doing what? And this is one of the best careers, and people, it's free. You can do this from home. You can make some little or even your online business just from these little things you see here. And let me tell you, some of the things that will make us Africa or go back is because when we are told to practice some things, we take them for granted. Now, let me tell you, in a span of maybe 10 years to come, some of these things will be mandatory for you to get some jobs. They will require you as additional advantage for you to get some business or something to make some money, or for you to get some business or some job, because we are going virtual and most of the jobs are going digital. So you'll find that even companies will start now acquiring people who are well known about this aspect, about social media strategies, some of the online appearances, like how can we make our company appear. I've had some interviews myself about such opportunities. And you see some companies, they come on board and then they ask you, what's your social medias? How is your profile on social media? How many people follow you up? How can you strategize? Can you put something on the board on social media so that we get? I've had myself an experienced interview of such a kind where an interviewee and the corporates asking me about my social appearance, my social media appearance. How is it? How do you relate with people? So they believe. And in one time, I remember, if I'm not wrong, one time I remember there is a lady who wanted to get a very powerful job, a career and job in one of the NGOs. I think it's a corporate of the government. And one of his tweet, only one tweet, really made her to lose the job and the opportunity. But she was well fit about it. So be careful on how you handle your social media, because it's going to reveal and picture of who you are. Because you see, like, let me just give an example. Like, you see, when you write on Facebook, it always asks you what is on your mind. Think about the line, what is on your mind? So which means before you post, it's something that has been in your mind. So the companies believe it's something that is in you. When you share your ideas, you share what you want, it's something that is in your mind. So when you post some things which are obscene, so clean up some of your social media, and let me give you this pamphlet. Let me give you this material for you to grow yourself and enlarge your material. It's something that I applied myself. In fact, right now I can make a website for free. I can start a website and articulately make sure that I get the graphics correctly, put everything together, and pay for the domain, look for the name, and design a website. I alone, I've never stepped in school. So what I did is to practice. Let me show you some of this pamphlet. It has 30 pages. It is very much explained. I got it myself, but I want to share with you for free of charge this material for how to make money online. If you're someone who has an internet, let me share with you this, because it's something that maybe you take for. Hey, wait. Look here. Some of you are joining Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and other platforms where you express your feelings. Mnaweka pale vitu za kuchekesha. Some of you dance before the cameras. Some of you enjoy so much. You feel, you say, this is birthday, this is what if the thing, you could post something which those people who are watching and clicking and liking, those people give you some money. Have you ever thought about that? Me, to myself, I always post very carefully and think this is it, because anything you put out of you is very, very important, because it says a lot about you. So be careful, okay? But anyway, let's be free and enjoy this technology. It's something that has been there, and something which our parents and our grandparents never enjoyed. So it's an opportunity for us to use it, and use it in a maximum way, in the sense that, look at the positive side. Although we are careful about even the society nowadays is going to change, because I told you they're going to look at you in all figures, front and back. How do you seem? You seem to be, when you are free at your leisure time, this is how you look, and this is how you look when you are free, when you're busy at work. Anyway, I want to also categorically say thank you for subscribing, guys. I'm loving this. It's becoming interesting. As we proceed, it's becoming interesting, and some of you are seeing it, how I'm changing. Now you are seeing another view. Mambo yanabadilika. So things are changing. So also start working, start doing it. If there is anything, if you're good in writing, I told you, if you're good in writing, there are many, many opportunities out here. If you're good in voice, you have a good voice, you can sing. What are you waiting for? Sing. If you're good in curricular activities, like for example, football, talent, talking, voiceover, speaking, or some of you are good in talents. I know some people who can speak even 5 languages. You can be an interpreter. You can be a sign language interpreter. They call it like this: sign language interpreter. Okay. So this is something which is there, and I'm urging my fellow, if you are follower here, make sure you also practice and learn something. This pamphlet here comes with those opportunities which are available. In fact, there are more than even 30 sites that you're going to see in that material. Those sites are there. People are earning money from them. You only hear about them, and some of them maybe you have never heard about them. I know. I've worked with the applications and websites, myself. In fact, this is the theme of this YouTube channel, and you'll see it's quite interesting, very interesting. We have people who have, you'll see there are samples of people and samples of the work which has been done, and you'll see how much money one can make. If you are serious enough, you'll see how much you can make, by the way. You'll see. It's all in that material. I want to leave this video by telling you that comment below. Just put your email address, and if you think your email address can be conspired, you can just create another email just to receive, just for you to receive this, to receive the material that I'm going to offer you today. If you think someone can Don't just look for another. You can just create an email quickly to receive this, and then you do away with it. I'll be very, very grateful. And if you receive it, comment below, say I've received. I'm going to sit down, make sure that each of you get this, because it's a PDF format. It's a way on how to make money online. I think I've shown you all the pages, 30 pages, researched, well put together for you. And this is something I've never done, but I want to do this just because of you, okay? So thumbs up, of course. You see, when let me tell you why I always ask you to share the videos. This world today, much is given to much who give. Feel free to give all this to share with your friends opportunities. I said one time that if you are a friend and you have a friend who is employed, who is unemployed, it will be a great pleasure if you mention his name in where there are opportunities. Like right now, you can just tag, share on social media, on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and tag your friend, okay? Tag him because this is going to help him. I got this pamphlet for money. I bought myself, but you're getting it without a coin, even one. No, I'm going to give you for free, okay? Now do this. Do me a favor. Share. There's something like this, an arrow like this on YouTube channel, on YouTube. So click it and share it on multiple places you feel. Then there's also one thing like this, It's a thumb like this. So you'll see something like that, then click it. I'll be very happy. Oh, I'll be very happy. Then lastly, there's one down there. When you click an arrow facing down, you click, you'll see a blank page comes. You scroll, you write something there, your email address, then I'll send you the notes, okay? It's just for free. This is what I've been basing on. You see me ramping here every day. Oh, how to make money online. The idea came from there. That's why I also started to preach the same message, to say it, to tell you for free so that you can take it. Okay, you can take it. I can sing, right? Is this talent? You can take it, and you see when you take it. When you take it. I'm just lacking some beats, right? I can sing, Cindy. When you take it, you start making money. I can rap, right? Now, if you need that, if you know, and let me tell you something, let me remind you this, that on this, my channel, there is over 100 videos I've done. And these videos way back when I started in some 3 years ago. They were just small videos, 10 minutes, but today I'm growing so that you can also see. Friends, guys, this is going to be good. I'm telling you, the future is bright. If you believe in me, so send me your email address in the comments below. I'll be good to go. Then I'll send you all this. Next time, we're going to reveal some of the things that, ooh, God is blessing. God's blessing us. And we are moving, okay? We are moving. God's blessing us, and we are going to see great things happen in our entire generation. So let's take up this opportunity and work together and see that technology that is out here to me, and that's money, okay? Free gift for you, okay? So make sure you do those things on my YouTube channel, and I'll be happy. Thank you for joining this community. Let me tell you, I've created a WhatsApp group, a community on Facebook where people are now together. We can discuss. I moderate. We can discuss and see how we can help each other and honest deeds, okay? Thank you. Thank you for subscribing. And to those who subscribed before, continue following. Great things are about to happen. See you in my next video. My name is Ernest. Thank you. Bye for now. Wait for your surprise. Wait for your handout. It's coming in right now.